Dive into tomorrow with cutting-edge wonders. From sleek smart assistants to immersive VR realms, these high-tech gadgets redefine possibility. Embrace the future now. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated on our latest videos. The Time Kettle earbuds use a combination of speech recognition technology and machine translation to facilitate conversations between users who speak different languages. Users can speak into the earbuds, and the translated speech is played through the earbuds in real time. The earbuds also have a feature that allows users to tap to switch between languages for more fluid conversations. The Parrot Bebop quadcopter is a recreational drone that was designed to provide users with an exciting and immersive flying experience. Here are some key features and information about the Parrot Bebop quadcopter. Aerial photography and video. The Bebop quadcopter comes equipped with a high-definition camera that can capture both photos and videos in stunning quality. The camera offers a wide field of view, allowing users to capture sweeping aerial shots in unique perspectives. Stabilization technology. To ensure smooth and stable flight, the Bebop quadcopter is equipped with advanced stabilization technology. This helps to counteract turbulence and maintain steady flight, resulting in clear and blur-free imagery. Remote control. The drone can be controlled using a dedicated remote control or through a smartphone or tablet using the Parrot Free Flight app. The app provides an intuitive interface for controlling the drone's flight, camera, and settings. The H2O Ninja Full Face Snorkel Mask is a type of snorkeling mask that covers the entire face, providing a more immersive and comfortable experience compared to traditional snorkel setups. Here are some key features and aspects of the H2O Ninja Full Face Snorkel Mask. Design. The full face design of the mask covers the eyes, nose, and mouth, allowing the user to breathe naturally through both the nose and mouth without the need for a separate snorkel tube. Panoramic view. The mask typically features a wide lens that provides a panoramic view underwater, allowing snorkelers to enjoy clear and unobstructed views of marine life in their surroundings. Dry top technology. Many full-face snorkel masks, including the H2O Ninja, incorporate a dry top system that prevents water from entering the snorkel tube when the user is submerged or when waves wash over the mask. HoloRide's technology involves creating VR content that matches the movements and actions of the car in real time. This helps to reduce motion sickness and enhances the overall VR experience by making it feel more natural and seamless. Passengers wearing VR headsets can enjoy interactive and engaging experiences that respond to the car's acceleration, turns, and other movements. HoloRide's platform can potentially be used in various scenarios, such as entertainment during long car rides, virtual tourism, education, and more. The Evolve Bamboo GTR is an electric skateboard designed for versatile and off-road riding experiences. Here are some key features and aspects of the Evolve Bamboo GTR electric skateboard. All-terrain capability. The Bamboo GTR is designed to handle various terrains, including pavement, grass, gravel, and even dirt trails. It features large, pneumatic wheels that provide a smoother ride over uneven surfaces. Dual motor system. The skateboard is equipped with dual electric motors that provide powerful acceleration and the ability to handle inclines with ease. This dual motor setup enhances overall performance and control. Battery life and range. The Bamboo GTR typically features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides a certain range on a single charge. Range can vary based on factors such as rider weight, terrain, and riding style. HPRT, High Print Technology, is a company that specializes in thermal transfer and direct thermal printing solutions, including portable printers. These printers are commonly used for various applications such as label printing, barcode printing, receipts, and more. HPRT thermal transfer portable printers are designed for on-the-go printing needs and offer features such as durability, wireless connectivity, and ease of use. Wireless connectivity. Many portable printers from HPRT come with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity options, allowing users to print directly from mobile devices or other sources without the need for physical connections. The Luna wireless speaker was a levitating Bluetooth speaker designed by Crazy Baby. It gained attention for its unique levitation feature, where the speaker orb floated above its base while playing music. This design not only provided an eye-catching visual element but also had the potential to improve sound quality by reducing vibrations transferred from the speaker to the surface it was placed on. The Fetter ACH1 is a type of motorcycle helmet that offers a unique feature, built-in air conditioning. This helmet is designed to keep motorcyclists cool and comfortable, especially during hot weather or long rides. The standout feature of the Fetter ACH1 helmet is its integrated air conditioning system. The helmet is equipped with a small air conditioning unit that blows cooled air onto the rider's head, helping to regulate temperature and reduce heat discomfort. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.